Helicopter Pilot 16 here with a Skymarks models Airbus A330-300 but Malaysia Airlines. If you do not know what country that is, it's Chinese airline. I was originally going to get the A380, but I decided to get something that I've been next to. I've never been in an airliner before, but I wanted to get a jet that I've been next to before, and I've been next to an A330 once during Northwest Airlines, Northwest Airlines Family Day. Very fun. Sorry if I don't get something or miss something in this video because my screen on my HD camera is cracked. I cannot see through my screen. It happened at Minneapolis International, so every now and then I've got to refigure how my camera is set and where I am pointing to know what I am getting. So, okay, wrong side. Come on. Okay. Beautiful. Came pretty quickly. I got it from a airplane model shop or something like that. If you type up MAS A330 Skymarks, you should see it for $29.95. Sorry, I'm trying to aim with one tiny crack in my screen. I like it. I looked at the rest of the Skymarks A330s, and I chose this one out of all of them. Like the Delta one I should have gotten, but I didn't because I looked at it really closely in the pictures, and it seemed to me it came with the wrong engine model on the wing. Came with the CF6, which is either in the no, it's in the 767, all types. Some use the Pratt & Whitney 4000. This one uses the Pratt & Whitney 4000. The Hummer on takeoff. Gear fitted, as you can see. Don't ever comment saying, "Wow, kid, state the obvious." Psst. Yeah, sarcasm is my second language. I do not like the configuration of the tail. Put it this way, where I have to take off the rudder and slide in the elevator and the horizontal stabilizer, but I'll deal with it. Heck, it looks fine. At least they didn't give me the wrong plane. Okay. And let me get some of this out of my way. My next thought is to get the 747-800, 747-800, because it has engines I like, the GENX. The 787 is currently running on Rolls-Royce Trent 1000s. That's for the test model. There's ZA001, 2, 3, and 4 so far. But ZA005 is going to be ran by GENX engines. Though it has just completed the engine run tests, just not passed what it should have. Or what I'm trying to say. But, and then I like its wing too. Same here, I like this. If I compared this to my 787, and their main thing with the wings was they made them smoother, and the pylons on the flat pylons on the 787 are smaller, and there's only 3 of them that barely just peek out over the wings. Helps with aerodynamics. But pylons are actually good in many ways too. Many people say the landing gear in the front of the A330 is too small, but if you've ever seen an A330 in real life, It does actually. Sorry, I can't see it in my camera at the moment. Okay, there you are. The jet does tilt down. And just like the CRJ 700. And, I mean, not 700, 900. Let me put the... Okay. So this helicopter pilot 16 with the unboxing of the Skymarks A330-300 Malaysia Airlines. Any questions, comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Whatever.